Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make, that's right, hamburger helper, chili cheese, macaroni. Alright, so you're going to need some cheese. I'm going to use like a quarter cup of cheese. My cheese personally, I'm going to be using like Kobe. Alright, you're going to need that. Now here's what I wanted to show you. Now I have some seasoning right here. This is like some taco seasoning that I made up from scratch. Now you can just use this and be just done with it, okay? If you wanted to. Alright, but and then I have some cinnamon right here. And I don't know why I have mustard over here. But anyway, this right here is some 80-20 ground beef right here. I'm going to show you how to cook your chili cheese macaroni up. I always freeze my meat. Guys, I don't know if you guys freeze yours or not, but hey, that's what I do. So alright, I'm going to come in here with some granulated onion. I'm going to put like a teaspoon of that in there. No, a tablespoon of granulated onion. I'm going to come with a teaspoon of garlic. And I'm going to come with a tablespoon of ground, well, this chili powder right here. Some black pepper, okay? Come in with that. This will be a teaspoon with that. We'll go ahead and go with a tablespoon. You know I love that black pepper. And this is some coarse sea salt right here. I'm gonna come in with like let's go with a teaspoon of that. That's what we got. We're gonna take this over there and we're gonna go ahead and cook this stuff up. And you will be needing if you're making, I'm making double box, so remember, you can cut it in half. So my double box, you're gonna need just water, okay? Some hot water, guys, and then you're gonna need at least like 4.5 cups of hot water. All right, I'll see you guys over there in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm gonna start breaking this up, mixing the seasoning up in here. Yep, hamburger helper, chili cheese, macaroni. Something quick, fast, easy for your kids. If you're in college, it works for you as well. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let this cook up. To brown up real good, and then show you what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I'm gonna go ahead and pour my macaroni and stuff in there. Those boxes. Take my seasoning pack, both of those. And my 4.5 cups of water. All right. Stir that up. While it's bubbling like it is, we're just gonna go ahead and put the lid on there. Hold on, let me get some more water. All right, 4.5 cups of water. Talking about something super delicious. This is gonna be off the chain, guys. No doubt about it. So we're just gonna put our lid on here and let this simmer. Let's get like, I don't know, about 10 minutes into it. I'm gonna put some diced tomatoes in it. That's this right here. All right. And then when I let it rest, I'm just gonna stir in some of this cheese. All right. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just want to go ahead and add my tomatoes in there. Real quick, I'm gonna sprinkle a little of this seasoning, cinnamon in there. Like a quarter, not even a quarter, like an 1/8 of a teaspoon. And I'm gonna let this finish simmering. And I probably have like some Fritos or something to go with mine. Tastes pretty good. All right, guys, in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now, I'm still simmering. Now, what I want to do is take this cheese, put half of that in there. And I'm gonna let this rest. I'm gonna let this guys rest for about a good 5 minutes. And I'll show you what we'll be doing. Putting this stuff together. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm finally done with this hamburger helper, chili cheese, macaroni. And I'm gonna use a little this Tabasco, I mean not Tabasco sauce, but hot sauce right here, Mexican hot sauce. Show you guys how this looks. So yeah, if you want to put you some extra cheese on yours, you can. That's how that looks. I got some Fritos right here that I'm gonna use with it. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching VELDOGG'S Kitchen, and I'm out. Happy eating.